Welcome everyone to 5.1 Polygons. If you remember the definition of polygon, there will be line segments come together and it's form a closed shape. So we call this closed shape a polygon. So let's read from your book. The polygon consists of segments that form a closed space. So it's a closed shape. Each segment that forms a polygon is a side of the polygon. So when you draw a polygon, let's add one. Sorry. As you see, it's a closed shape and it's made up from the line segments. We call it polygon. So these are the sides: one side, two sides, three sides. These are the sides of the polygon. Let's continue. The common endpoint of two vertices is vertex of the polygon. So that's one side, that's another side. So that's the common point. So only let's show the point here. That's point here, the corner. We call it vertex, and its form an angle. As you see, there's an angle. So each of them, these are vertices. These are vertices, and they all form an angle. So n number of angles and number of sides all the time are equal. A segment that connects two non-consecutive vertices is a diagonal. So a segment that connects non-consecutive. So what is non-consecutive? That's here problem probably. Okay. These two consecutives, they are on the same line segment, or these two. As you see, they are on the same line segment. These 2 points, but when we talk about non-consecutives, they are not on the same line segments. This point and this point, for example. Or let's use a blue color. This point and this point. Or let's use a green one. This point and this point. These are non-consecutives. So if you connect non-consecutive, as you see, these are the diagonals. Diagonals are not sides, they are inside the and convex polygon. So they connect the vertex. Let's continue from here. Let's erase that part. These are the first thing we have to know. The sum of the interior angle measure of a convex polygon with n side. So what we are talking about here, sum of the interior angle. Sum of the interior angle measure of a convex polygon with n sides. So what is it? So, sorry, not that one. Sum of interior. It's equal n minus 2. So number of side minus 2 multiplied by 180. Let's give us sum of the interior angle. What is the interior angle? You can ask now. Okay. These are the interior angles. The vertex form an angle. These are the interior angles. When you add all of them, it's equal number of sides minus 2 multiplied by 180. We will solve some example. This will make it clear, I hope. The sum of exterior angle. When we talk about exterior angle, let's take that previous example. Okay. Let's say when we talk about exterior angles, continue from here. These one exterior angle. Of course, you can ask me, teacher, can we draw that one? Yes. As you see, these are vertical angles. So these are congruent, but we will use only one of them. So it's up to you which one to use. Let's use that one. As you see, these are exterior angles, and it's all the time 360. It doesn't matter it's 6 sides polygon, 7 sides polygon, heptagon, hexagon, nonagon. It doesn't matter. It's all time 360 degrees. Let's show you something else. Let's copy all of these here. I will copy the same polygon there. Of course, you can draw that one too. It doesn't matter which one you do. These are the, again, because they are vertical angles that I showed at the beginning of the video. So you can use that one too, no problem. Or again, it will be equal 360 degrees. Okay, let's continue that one. Polygon, regular, irregular. Tell whether concave or convex. You have to remember regular polygons. Regular polygons, all sides are congruent, all angles are congruent. This is the first. But when we talk about concave or convex, let me show you from this example. It's an irregular. Why? This angle is very larger than that one, so it's irregular. If one of the angle is greater than, as this interior angle is greater than 180, as you see that's greater than 180, we call it concave. But there's another definition. If one of the diagonal is out of the, as you see, it's outside of the shape, this is diagonal, we connect two vertex and it's out of the diagonals, we call it concave. That's regular. All regular polygons are convex. This is a square, all of them 90 degrees and all sides are equal. How we know? Because of these marks. This is irregular. Why irregular? As you see, this side longer than that one and they have different mark. Even the angles are congruent, the sides not, so it's irregular and it's convex. It doesn't matter what diagonal you draw, it's all time stay inside the polygon. And all angles are less than 180 degrees, I'm sure about that one too. Find the sum of the interior angle measure of a convex heptagon. So heptagon has a 7 sides. What is the sum of interior angles? So it's equal, sorry, angle's not clear. Angles n minus 2 multiplied by 180. So what's n minus 2? 7 minus 2 multiplied by 180. 5 times 180 is equal 900. Same questions. Find sum of each interior angle. Be careful. It looks like same question, but it's a regular and each interior angle. If we know all interior angles equal, when we talk about regular, they are all congruent. So if one of them I say angle, so I have 18 angle plus angle plus angle plus angle, so I have 18 of them. I will say 18 times angle. These are the sum of the angles. It's equal 18 minus 2 multiplied by 180. So divide by 18, divided by 18, angle equals 16. So I simplify this 18, but I don't like that. Will be 110. And I simplify that one, and then it becomes 10. 16 multiplied by 10, angle equal 110, 60. One of them, so each of them 110, 60. That's another question. Find the measure of each interior angle of quadrilateral RSVT. So angle R, it's asking all of them. R plus S plus T plus V. So 2n plus 6n plus 2n plus 5n equal. What is the sum of all? The rules say that n minus 2 multiplied by 180. Be careful, this n and this n are not same. These are the variable here. This is the number of the side. What is number of the side? Let's write this n exactly. It's 5 minus the number of side minus 2. So that's not 5, sorry, 4. It says 4 side. It's a quadrilateral. 4 side, 4 minus 2 multiplied by 180. 15 and equal 360. Why? 4 minus 2, 2 times 180, 360. Divide by 15, divide by 15, simplify, n equal 30 divided by 15, 2, 6 divided by 15, 4. So 24. I calculate the n, but it doesn't ask. It asks what is the r. 2 times 24, sorry, it's n equal 24. I will write here 24. It's equal 48. What is s? It's equal 6 times 24 is equal 144, and t is same as r, 48, because to n, and v equal 5 times 24 is equal 120. These are all degrees, of course. Find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular nonagon. So when you add all exterior angles, because it's a regular polygon, all exterior angles will be congruent to. So I will have 9 times angle. So let's say 9 times angle. So when I add 9 angle, it becomes 360. Why? Sum of the exterior angle, it's all time equal 360. Divided by 9, divide by 9. A equal 360 divided by 9. It's equal 40. So each of them 40 degrees. This is another example. A pentagon has exterior angles measure of 5A, 4A, 3A, 10A, 8A. When you add all of them, 9, 12, 22, 30, 30A equal, because we are talking about exterior angle, when you add all of them, it's all time equal 360, and A equal, when you divide by 30, cancel the 0, 36 divided by 3, 12. So A is equal to 12. We find the value of A. Okay, they fold it, and maybe it's not visible. Let's use white color here. They fold it like that from here. But at the end, we get a regular hexagon here. So it's asking find each measure JKM. So this angle JKM, and this is asking the other angle, that one. Finding exterior angle will be very easy. I have 6 of them. So 360 divided by 6 is equal 60. Each exterior angle 60. So that will be 60 degrees. What is MKL? That's 60 degrees. So to find that one, I'm not going to use sum of the interior angle. You can use that method, but together that's angle makes 180. So 180 minus 60, it gives us 120. That is the JKM, 120 degrees. Of course, you can use sum of the interior angles to 720 divided by 6, again 120. That's the last example. I will solve only 2 of them. Name the convex polygon whose interior angles measured have the given sum. So these are the sum of the interior angles. That means n minus 2 multiplied by 180 equal 180. That's multiplication. I can simplify by division. Divide by 180. That will be, hey, that's not 180. Sorry, sum of them equal the given. What is the given here? 540. 540. So n minus 2 let's divide this 180 to cancel 180. That will be 1. 5. Let's cancel the 0. 54 divided by 18 equal 3. N minus 2 equal 3. N equal 5. Y plus 2 plus 2. So 3 plus 2, 5. You can use same method. Let's solve one more example, 900, because I mixed that one, I think. N minus 200 multiplied by 180 equal 900. N minus 2 equal 900. Divide by 118 when you simplify by that one. Cancel the 0. Cancel 9. This will be 10. This will be 2. So 10 divided by 2, 5. N minus 2 equal 5. N equal 7. So you can use same method for the other 2 examples. Thanks for listening.